Hey everyone, it's Belle. Hope you guys are well. I'm sticking to a peachy tone this month to vibe with the fiery energy of Leo. My monthly spread is a minimal horizontal calendar layout so I can see and color code all my events at a glance, and it literally has not changed since forever. I wanted my mood board to celebrate the power and femininity of Renaissance portraits. I added touches of urban lines and ruffled sheets to contrast the softness and the curves. I wanted this page to just, scream out, look like a goddess, live in the moment, live your best life, but also rest, take care of yourself, and nurture yourself, nurture your friendships. Mood boards are such a wonderful space to have fun and explore what you love, but it also makes for visual motivation too. That's why I keep one next to my monthly dashboard. And last month, I wasn't really able to properly track my habits and my moods, so I thought of switching it up a little bit and drawing these mini monthly calendars instead. And it was a little bit more tedious, I'll admit, but the visual outcome might get me more motivated to tick some of those boxes off. I hope it works this time, honestly. I also made my mood bar a little more specific. I'm identifying my actual moods this time with words so that I can identify specifically what I'm feeling throughout the day. It ranges from happy and inspired down to irritable, stressed, numb, and depressed. So this definitely means I can track my feels better, I hope. I'm tracking my moods in the morning and the evening to discover my baseline emotion. For those with anxiety, you might want to get on board this train. And if, for example, your moods are on opposite ends of the spectrum, you can identify triggers throughout the day that might have caused the shift. Journaling has really helped me keep my mental health in check. Habit trackers and mood trackers encourage me to be responsible, accountable, and a lot more patient with myself. For example, here I listed self-care tasks from my ideal daily routine next to my mood tracker just as a reminder, or in case I'm having a rough day or a bad morning, I have a little bit of a remedy just for a while. Also an expense tracker because even though my soul says treat yourself, my wallet says save yourself. It's so important to set achievable goals for the month, so I break down my New Year's resolutions and write them down. But it's not a reminder or an assignment, it's a healthy challenge, something inspiring. And if I get it done, then cool. If not, then I regroup, I reflect, I revise my goals. Just keep it chill. Don't be too hard on yourself if you can't achieve everything in one go. So in line with Leo's hella dramatic vibe, I'm going for this chunky bold lettering, which is so not my usual style, but whatever, I'm having fun with it. By the way, these images I've printed out are from Tumblr and we heart it, so it's great to just browse and look for images you love and stick them in your journal. Just have fun with it. Once you've gotten the hang of the bullet journal system, designating bullets and symbols to notes and tasks, the organizing, the planning, it becomes this whole new world. It's this place to explore like who you are, what you can do, and who you can be. Of course, you don't need to go all out and decorative like I did, but I do encourage you guys though to flip to a new spread, make something that excites you but also isn't entirely typical of you either. Encourage yourself to exercise those creative muscles. Journaling has become this safe space for me, and I hope it becomes one for you too. Here you can create, you can play, you can grow, all while getting your shit together. Excuse my language. But yeah, it's really just about having fun at the end of the day and getting yourself organized. So now I'm just going to cut through a flip through of my August spread so far. I hope you guys had fun planning with me. Stay strong, stay confident, get your goals, go after them.